G'day guys, these 2015 Renaults, you're seeing the compressor coming out now. We've basically released the subframe that holds the radiator and the intercooler out. Reached up with great difficulty to unplug stuff. The AC hoses for the top of the compressor you get from the top. I got one from the bottom, but use a long ratchet and get the AC high and low lines off here from the top. And most importantly is to remove this stud from the very top of the compressor. And then you can manage to get the compressor out. I've just done a little trial before I've boasted about it, but it will come out this way. This stud goes up here, in there. You want to be getting this out. You'll not get the compressor out without hitting the intercooler and stuff. And the connectors themselves are grueling as well. You can get one of them from here and the other one later when you loosen the compressor, turn it around, get the other connector, obviously release the fan belt. So I've not pulled the bolt from this side all the way out. So I've released this bracket, but I've not pulled this one out all the way. I've just loosened it because otherwise you're going to have the radiator and everything come down. Anyway, I hope that helps. The book time on this job is 3 hours. I don't think this is how Renault want it done. I think they're basically saying pull the bar off and pull the whole front of the car off, and you can do that. That's great. That's fine. You can do it that way too. Hope that helps. Bye.